Hey guys, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and then I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful it is in their mountain of snow, guys. I'm gonna show you how beautiful it's in here for Valentine's. It is so beautiful inside. Oh, crazy beautiful. And then they have everything in here for Valentine's. They start even decorating for Easter as well. Easter, and you can see things are in here for summer as well. These balloons are so beautiful. How cute it is. But yeah, they are decorating in here for summer as well. So I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit around here. These balloons for Valentine's are beautiful though, as you can see all the way back there, guys. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Look at all these balloons, guys. These are all for Valentine's. Just take a look at these beautiful balloons here, guys. The whole place is filled with balloons, but these are just beautiful.
OMG, you are not going to believe this Valentine's Day wonderland. Seriously, like, look at all these balloons.